How to get 80% Wayfair coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Wayfair coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Open it. Once you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. Just scroll down and check out the offers. You can see that 25% off, 20% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you want to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code and make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on Redeem at Wayfair. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as on this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll down and check out the offers. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. So that's where you can easily get up to 80% Wayfair working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.